numbness in your hands and fingers? Solution number one. So there's so many causes to numbness and tingling in your hands. It could be carpal tunnel, it could be from your neck, it could be from your elbow. So this is one exercise, actually two exercises that can help stimulate blood circulation and temporarily alleviate some of the numbness. So number one, you're going to do the scissor slap. So scissor slap, okay? I just call this scissor slap. It looks like a scissors. So scissor slap like this. You can slow motion like this. Okay. Don't forget your thumb area. So you're gonna go slow motion right here. So you're gonna do this for 30 seconds, right? 30 seconds, 30 times, and then number two, scrub your fingers. You want to scrub your fingers, right? Scrub your fingers. You want to scrub your fingers. You're gonna feel your fingers get warm. That's what you want it to do. Increased blood circulation regenerates nerves, which decreases this numbness and tingling and pain. Make sure you follow me for.
I had a problem with my feet for several years, numbness and lack of feeling. Finally, I was having a problem driving, and I decided to try acupuncture. After approximately 4 months, I have all of the feeling back in my feet.
Hey guys, Jimmy Yen here with Achieve Integrative Health, and today is a Monday. So Monday, we're actually, we're gonna change it up a little bit, and today we're gonna talk about neuropathy. And inspired by one of our neuropathy patients, we are a neuropathy specialist, and so treat a lot of neuropathy. And one of the quick tips, I would say one of the most important tip in regards to helping your nerves regenerate is something called vasodilation. Okay. Now, so for those of y'all who don't know, you maybe not know what neuropathy is. Neuropathy is basically nerve damage. Nerve damage where you start getting pins and needles and pain, and worst case scenario, it's actually numbness, right? And so now we're talking about peripheral neuropathy. So nerve damage within your extremities, the peripheral nerves. Well, one of the things that you can do to help regenerate those nerves, whether they've been damaged by whatever cause, regardless of what causes the neuropathy or the nerve damage, there's one thing you can do consistently that will put your nerves in the best environment for it to regenerate. Okay? Yes, your peripheral nerves can regenerate. And so that's something called vasodilation. Vasodilation basically means opening of your blood vessels. So if you imagine this is your blood vessels, vasodilation occurs like this. So if you imagine like all of these little green things are all the nutrients that are in your blood vessel, and if your blood vessels only have that small amount of diameter, then you're limited to how much nutrients can be delivered to those peripheral nerves and therefore help them regenerate. But if you can vasodilate, which is open up the blood vessels, look how much more. It's probably 100 times more nutrition that's going to your nerves, right? And so vasodilation is key to helping you regenerate your nerves. And so the next question is, how do I vasodilate my blood vessels, right? And so one of the best things that you can do at home is exercise. Exercise, not only does it speed up your heart, but it also causes vasodilation. So by exercising, it can cause vasodilation. That's why, if you go to your neurologist, they will tell you need to exercise. That's the reason. Exercises causes vasodilation. And vasodilation will increase nutrients to your dead nerves, right? And so exercise is one of them, right? There are some supplements that you can do. And we'll talk about that in future posts, but you can do supplements. You can do supplements to cause vasodilation, right? And of course, the number one way is acupuncture. That's what we do here, right? Acupuncture is one of the best tools to cause vasodilation because acupuncture can do something that these two, exercise and supplements, can't do. What acupuncture does is acupuncture has the ability to retrain your brain to do the vasodilation by itself, right? And so with exercise, you get that vasodilation only when you're exercising. When you stop exercising, your blood vessels go from here to here. They constrict again, right? When you take a supplement, only when you're taking the supplement will you have the vasodilation. When you stop taking the supplement, it goes again, the blood vessels constricts again, right? So it's like you constantly have to do it, right? I'm not saying that that's a bad thing. You need to exercise every single day. But acupuncture, once it causes your body to vasodilate, your body can stay in vasodilation. So that's the beauty of it, right? And that's one of the beauties of acupuncture. So, key point of today's tip is focus on vasodilation. What can cause vasodilation to your peripheral nerves? That's what's going to help you regenerate your nerves. All right, guys, this is Jimmy Yen from Achieve Integrative Health. When you think of acupuncture, you think of Achieve Integrative Health, the #1 acupuncture clinic in Austin, Texas, Central Texas. And as always, remember, everything in life is achievable, but it's up to you to make it happen. So let's go out and let's make it happen.